Despite what you may have heard, fine scratches and swirls in your bike's beautiful finish typically don't require a trip to the paint booth to repair. In fact, with a bottle of Harley-Davidson scratch and swirl repair and a little elbow grease, you can make them disappear in no time. Let's look at a few common areas where bikes often get scratches and surface damage. The tops of saddlebags, from boots or luggage rubs, and the edges of fairings from bumping against garage walls. The rule of thumb is, if the scratch or swirl doesn't penetrate the paint, you can make it disappear. Put a big dab of scratch and swirl repair on your soft cloth and apply that elbow grease. The best way to know if you're working hard enough is to make your bike rock a little. The microabrasive formula begins to soften and level your clear coat as you create heat and friction. The scratches and swirls fill in as you rub, and the microabrasives break down and get finer as you go, which means you don't need a bunch of different grades of abrasive to get the job done. Scratch and swirl repair does it all for you. Then just apply some Harley glaze sealant to protect the repaired surface and bring up the shine even more. Now you're done. The damage is gone and your bike looks great. Harley-Davidson scratch and swirl repair works. Get some today.